Looking to add a touch of greenery to your kitchen? Wondering which indoor plants thrive in that warm, busy space? From air-purifying wonders to vibrant foliage beauties, these foliage plants not only enhance aesthetics but also freshen the air. Discover the perfect leafy companions for your culinary corner. Let's quickly explore the top 10 indoor plants for kitchen. Pothos Epipremnum aureum is one of the best indoor plants for kitchens due to its resilience and air-purifying qualities. Its heart-shaped, trailing green leaves often variegated with yellow or white add a touch of elegance to shelves, countertops, or hanging baskets. Pothos thrives in indirect light and tolerates low-light conditions, making it ideal for kitchens with limited sunlight. It requires minimal care, just occasional watering when the soil feels dry. Besides its beauty, pothos helps remove indoor toxins, improving air quality. Easy to propagate from cuttings, it's a practical and attractive choice for both beginner and experienced plant lovers. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, is a popular choice for kitchens due to its attractive arching leaves and easy care nature. Known for its air-purifying ability, it removes pollutants like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde, making kitchen air cleaner. Its green or variegated leaves add a fresh, natural touch to countertops or hanging baskets. Spider plants thrive in bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light levels as well. They require moderate watering, allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. One of its charming features is the baby plantlets it produces, which can be propagated easily. It's a perfect low-maintenance companion for any kitchen. Heartleaf philodendron, Philodendron hedraceum, is a classic indoor foliage plant ideal for kitchens due to its trailing vines and low-maintenance care. Its deep green, heart-shaped leaves bring a lush, tropical feel to shelves, cabinets, or hanging pots. It thrives in bright, indirect light but also tolerates low-light areas, making it perfect for various kitchen settings. This philodendron prefers slightly moist soil but forgives occasional neglect. Known for its air-purifying qualities, it helps improve indoor air quality. Its trailing habit makes it visually appealing, and it's easy to propagate from stem cuttings. A reliable, elegant plant for any kitchen space. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia, is a tough, stylish foliage plant perfect for kitchen spaces. With its glossy, dark green leaves and upright growth, it adds a modern touch to counters or corners. ZZ plant thrives in low to bright indirect light and is extremely drought-tolerant, ideal for busy kitchens or forgetful plant owners. It requires infrequent watering, only when the soil is completely dry. Its ability to tolerate low humidity and neglect makes it one of the easiest indoor plants to maintain. Additionally, it helps purify indoor air. With minimal effort, the ZZ plant brings lasting greenery and elegance to any kitchen. English ivy, Hedera helix, is a charming trailing plant that adds a classic, elegant touch to kitchen spaces. Its lush, lobed green leaves gracefully cascade from shelves, hanging pots, or window sills, making it perfect for vertical or compact kitchen areas. English ivy prefers bright, indirect light and consistently moist, but not soggy, soil. It also improves indoor air quality by filtering pollutants like mold spores, which is especially helpful in humid kitchen environments. Though it's easy to grow, occasional pruning keeps it neat and encourages fuller growth. With its timeless look and practical benefits, English ivy is a graceful addition to any kitchen. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is an excellent foliage plant for kitchens. Its upright, sword-like leaves with striking green and yellow patterns bring a bold, architectural look to small spaces like countertops or corners. Exceptionally low maintenance, it tolerates low light, irregular watering, and fluctuating kitchen temperatures. It requires watering only when the soil is completely dry, making it ideal for busy households. Beyond aesthetics, snake plant is a powerful air purifier, removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. Hardy, stylish, and nearly indestructible, it's a reliable green companion that thrives even with minimal care in your kitchen. Bird's nest fern, Asplenium nidus, brings a soft tropical vibe to kitchens with its arching rosette of glossy, ripple-edged fronds that resemble a nest. Unlike many ferns, it thrives in the moderate, variable light typical of indoor cooking spaces. Bright, indirect light is ideal, but it can tolerate lower levels. This fern prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil and benefits from the ambient humidity generated by boiling water or dishwashing. Wipe dust from the fronds occasionally to keep photosynthesis efficient. Non-toxic and visually soothing, bird's nest fern is perfect for countertops or hanging planters, offering lush greenery while subtly improving indoor air quality. Nerve plant, Fittonia albivenes, is a compact, eye-catching foliage plant perfect for brightening up kitchen spaces. Its vibrant green leaves, beautifully veined with white, pink, or red, make it a striking accent for shelves, countertops, or small pots. Fittonia thrives in bright, indirect light and appreciates higher humidity, conditions often found in kitchens. It prefers consistently moist soil but doesn't tolerate overwatering or soggy roots. Though it may wilt if neglected, it quickly revives with a little water. Small and non-toxic, the nerve plant adds a splash of color and charm, making it a delightful living decor piece for kitchen interiors. Prayer plant, Calathea, is a stunning foliage plant known for its vibrant, patterned leaves that fold upward at night, resembling hands in prayer. Ideal for kitchen spaces, it thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys the naturally higher humidity often found in cooking areas. Its striking leaf designs, often striped or spotted in shades of green, purple, and cream, make it a beautiful focal point on counters or shelves. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy, and avoid cold drafts. Calatheas are non-toxic and safe for homes with pets. With its unique behavior and decorative appeal, it adds life and movement to any kitchen. Dump cane, Dieffenbachia segae, is a bold, leafy indoor plant that brings vibrant greenery to kitchen spaces. Known for its large, broad leaves with striking patterns of green, cream, or yellow, it makes a stylish statement on the floor, counters, or plant stands. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light, making it versatile for most kitchen spots. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, and avoid overwatering. While it's an excellent air purifier, it is toxic if ingested, so keep it out of reach of children and pets. With proper care, dump cane adds lush beauty and tropical charm to your kitchen.